How to change caption language on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. Launch YouTube app on your device. Log in to your account. Tap on profile icon at bottom right corner. Tap gear icon at top right corner of the screen to access settings. Now tap on Captions option. You need to simply locate video and audio preferences, and on the third option, select Captions. Make sure that you toggle the button on for caption preferences. If you don't toggle the button on, you won't be able to change caption language on YouTube app. Now tap on Language. Currently, the language has been set to default. Simply, you need to scroll down and select any language. Then you need to tap on the circle next to that, and your caption language will be successfully changed on YouTube app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.